Hey guys, so today I'm gonna do a real fidget trading with someone. I mean, it's not really real, but some of them are real. Okay, so I think I'm gonna trade my dimple. Okay, what's your offer for the dimple? I mean, I really want the dimple, so I guess I'll offer it good. I'll offer this puppet. I mean, I really like puppets, but I kind of like my dimple more, and it's more expensive than puppets. Fine, I guess. How about I add this snake and this marble mesh? This is kind of good offer, but I really like my dimple, so I don't know. Should I do it? I think I will if she adds something very good, like really good. Hey, maybe you can add something because I really like the dimple. Oh, fine. I guess I'll add. I mean, how about this monkey noodle? I kind of like monkey noodles. Guys, I don't have monkey noodle, but I'm still gonna ask her to add because I really like this dimple. I will add because I really like my dimple. Alright, fine. I guess I can add the simple dimple. Can I try simple dimple? Sure. Alright, guys, let's try this out. Okay, this is really good. Alright, maybe you can add one or two more things, then it's a deal because I really like this dimple. Okay, fine. Give it a sort of stress ball. Okay, and this stress ball. Okay, can you add more? Fine, whatever. This stress ball. Can I try the stress balls? I don't want it to be broken. Fine. Okay, perfect. Okay. Add more. Just one more, please. I guess I'll add this tangle. I mean, that's a good offer, so I'll do it. Thanks. Oh my god, you scammed me. This dimple is fake. Yeah. Please give me just one. What shall I give her back? I don't really like this. Here, you can have that back. Oh my god. I like scamming people. I got these. Oh my god, I'm so happy. Alright, I think I'm gonna trade one of these. I'm gonna trade my marble mesh. Oh, alright. Let's put this away. Oh my god, I love these stuff. It's really good. Alright. What's your offer for this marble mesh? I really want a marble mesh. I'm gonna offer it good. Alright, sure thing. I guess I'll offer you this. Guys, I think that's all. So I'm gonna ask her to add. Add, please. I mean, I don't want to add, but okay, fine. Just because I really want it. Okay, good, guys. I'm just gonna add one more though, because this is a really good one. Alright, whatever you say. What's that? Try it. Alright. Okay, this is kind of good. Just one more, please. Fine, whatever. I'm just gonna add this two emojis. Alright, that's good. Here you go. Okay, that was a successful trade. Okay, let's put this mochi. I'm kind of happy with this trade, actually. Okay, first of all, I don't like these mochis. I mean, I like them, but they're kind of sticky and oily. Let's try to trade them. Trading mochis. Oh, me please. I've always wanted mochis. Oh, sure. What's your offer? I'll offer this magnetic beads. Maybe add something good. A needle. Oh my god, that's a good deal. Let's go. A needle. Oh, I've been waiting to get a needle. This is a needle and a bead. Oh, this is good. Okay. Oh, this is really good. Alright, I really like this magnetic beads. Oh no! Alright, that's good. My favorite. I guess this is the yellow needle. This is a squishy. She scammed me. No, she's scammer. She's scammer. I can't believe I got scammed to buy this cat squishy. This fake thing. I think I'm gonna scam someone with this again. Maybe later. What should I trade next? I mean, I can trade my block snake, but I really like it. I think I'll trade this. Trading these beach stress ball. Going once, going twice, going 3 times. Let me please. Sure, what's your offer? I'm gonna use phone stress ball. I mean that's a good offer because it's stress ball, and mine is homemade. So here you go. Thank you. Let's try it out. She scammed me. It's broken. No. Oh, why is these so much scammers? Whatever, it's fine. What should I trade next? I think I'm gonna try to scam someone for this needle again. This squishy, not needle. Trading this cat needle. Oh, me please. Oh, sure. What's your offer? I'll offer this ad. I'll have this putty. And this other putty. Can you add 1 or 2 more things or is it a deal? Look at this. Alright, here you go. You got a really good deal for that needle. Oh my god, yes, a needle! You got scammed anyway, that's so squishy. No! LOL. I'm really happy with that trade, but I'm gonna scam someone for this foam. Trading really good foam stress ball. It's very squishy. Tell me please. Alright, sure, what's your offer? I'll offer this fidget spinner. And this homemade water squishy. Guys, I don't like the water squishy. I'm gonna ask you to. Can you switch the water squishy? Alright, sure. I'll give you this homemade water timer. Alright, if you say so. You got scammed by the way. Haha. Guys, what is this? I thought he says a water timer. And what is this? A fidget spinner? I'm just gonna trade this fake. Shredding this really good water timer. Going once, going twice, going 3 times. Oh, me please. You look like a noob, but okay, whatever. Homemade puppet. Homemade puppet. I don't like homemade. Add more. Homemade one. I like this. Alright, here we go. Oh my god, guys. Oh my god, guys. I don't like this homemade puppet, but I love this. This is stressful. Alright, I like this cat. Alright, she got scammed in the face. Alright, I'm gonna scam someone for this really bad homemade puppet. I'm gonna say it's really good. Shooting really good homemade puppet. Going once. Going twice. Going 1 more time. Seriously, no one. Wait, me, I do. You again? The scammer, sure. What's your offer? Yeah. About that, I'm giving you back your marble. Oh my god. Guys, this is such a dream. I'm gonna accept. Here you go. Thanks. Yeah, no problem. Trading tangle. What type of tangle? I want to offer. It's the most rarest tangle ever. You better offer it good. Right, I want to see the tangle. This is the most rarest tangle. Yeah. Can I try it first? Sure. This kind of feels weird. But what can I get from it? Bruh, you don't know? You can get like so many things. Alright, I'm offering. What should I give her? I don't want to give her this dimple. I'm not going to give the puppet. How about all my stress balls? She won't matter, right? I mean, these are the last of stress balls. I'll be a stress ball, I guess. I like stress balls, but add just 1 more. Alright. So I'll give her this putty. I'll give her these 2 putties. Alright, that's a good deal. Alright, here you go. I'm gonna take that. You got scammed. What? Oh, this tangle is bad. I feel like my block snake. Oh no. What did I do? I'm gonna fix it. Alright, X-Fit. I'm really mad about that. Well, I'm sorry guys, but this is gonna be the end because this already has been really wrong. So I'm gonna go guys, bye! I'm gonna